Hey folks, welcome back. Today's another good day because I get to try to make something I've never made before. This is actually a viewer request. A gentleman by the name of Daniel said him and his wife watch our videos and he loves our cooking videos, but he's a vegetarian and asked if I could make anything sort of vegetarian-ish. I'm up for a challenge. He recommended air-fried tofu. So that's what we're going to make for you today. Air-fried tofu. This should be pretty good. For this air-fried tofu dish, well, we need some tofu. Extra firm tofu is what Daniel recommends. And to prepare that tofu, we need to squeeze the water out. So I have a tofu press expertly 3D printed by my son Ryan. He's helped me out a couple times with a couple things I needed 3D printed. I think this is going to work out really well. First thing we need to do is open this up and pour some of that water out of there. So that's what tofu looks like. So here's the bottom tray of the tofu press. Put the tofu in. Has a little plate that's going to squish this tofu. Okay. Squeeze that down a bit. And water will start coming out of there. I'm going to let this sit in my refrigerator for a couple hours. That'll allow a lot of that liquid to squeeze out because we need some nice dry firm tofu to air fry. Air frying it will give it a nice crispy outside and a nice chewy inside. Okay, it's about 3 hours later. This press seems to have done its job. Quite a bit there has been pressed out. So let's remove the tofu. I'm going to put this on some paper towel for a little while and just dab off the rest of that liquid. Now we need to break this into smaller pieces that we can air fry. I suppose if you want you could cut it with a knife, but that would be no fun. So let's break this open. Ooh, it's pretty tough. That's what we're looking for. A nice ragged edge. Now I'm just going to keep breaking it into smaller pieces, but not too small. These nice ragged edges are going to crisp up really well. You know, I think it's about time we give this a taste. See what just plain tofu tastes like. Okay, some plain tofu. There's not a lot of flavor going on here. If I had to describe the flavor, I can't. There's really no flavor. Maybe a little wet cardboard? I don't know. No, it definitely needs something. But I guess that's what tofu's all about. It really accepts flavors well. So we are going to be seasoning this up a bit with some soy sauce, some sesame seed oil, a little garlic, a little white pepper. Lots of great flavors. And then I'm going to be making a nice teriyaki glaze to put over it. So let's get some flavorings on here. I'm starting with a bit of soy sauce. Just drizzle it on a little bit. Some sesame oil. Hit the other side. Okay, now I'm going to make a little dusting compound that we're going to dust over this. It's going to help crisp it up and flavor it a bit more. We're going to use cornstarch, garlic powder, and white pepper. Mix it up again. This cornstarch is going to hopefully crisp it up a bit. Okay, I think we're going to let this hang out for a bit. I'm going to get that air fryer heated up. 375, 18 minutes. Okay, it's up to temp. I'm going to put a small piece of parchment paper on the bottom here so the tofu doesn't stick. And then let's add our tofu. While this is cooking, let's put together a really nice light teriyaki sauce for this. I'm going to start with some soy sauce. Water, brown sugar, garlic powder, and some ground ginger. Now I'll just mix this up, let that sugar dissolve, and we have a nice simple teriyaki sauce. Halfway through, we're going to mix these up a bit just to make sure every part of those chunks get air fried. Mix them up a bit. Okay, we'll let those finish now. Okay, they're done. I can tell you right now, these are very crispy on the outside. Time to drizzle some of our teriyaki sauce over it. You could have this over rice, I would imagine. Probably be great over rice. I'm having a little broccoli with mine. A little bit of sesame seeds. And how about a little green in there? Some green onion or scallions. That's looking pretty good. It is looking really good. You know, a viewer requested that I try to make something vegetarian. He suggested air-fried tofu. So that's what I have here. But does it taste better than what I had when it was just plain? Let's find out. It really soaked up the flavor. The soy sauce, the sesame seed oil, that teriyaki sauce, it's playing well with this tofu. The outside's nice and crispy, the inside, tender. I hate to say it, but it's almost like eating meat. It's not chewy or rubbery. It's kind of tender. When I was looking up how to make air-fried tofu, I found lots of different recipes for different sauces, teriyaki sauces, General Tso's sauce. Even people use bachan sauce on there, that Japanese barbecue sauce. I might try that myself. Hey Daniel, thank you so much for suggesting this. It turned out really good. And I got to try something I've never had before, except for I think I've had it in sweet and sour soup from a Chinese restaurant once. Just regular cubed up tofu. This is so much better. Viewer requests. I love them. Hey, if you have an idea for something you'd like me to make, send them my way. If I can, I'll make them. Somebody recently just mentioned me making a blueberry pumpkin pie. Who knows? We'll have to see how that goes. I think he's actually waiting for another YouTuber that he sent the message to see if he makes it. We'll see. I might give it a try. but I'll need Patty's help with that one. Today was a very good day. I made something I've never made before, and it turned out really good. As always, I really appreciate it when you give me likes and if you comment on the video. I love reading your comments and I love responding to them. This really has been a good day. Hope whatever you guys are doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time.